You're almost dead.
You're also snoring, girl.
You even snore. Jesus.
Girl, you sleep and snore. You're the girl with one piece of one piece of snoring. You know? I read meds.
Yes, that same one. Alright, this one is here.
Girl, if I want piece of snoring, no sir. At work, snoring in front of the computer.
Funny thing is that I'm trying to remember. Yes, I did.
Girl, are you serious? Girl, are you serious? You're at work snoring in front of the computer. You're wondering if someone hear you? Snore like a man. Jody. Tell Jody that she snore like a man. Snore like a man. I said she snore like a man. I said she snore like a man. I joke cause she even come around here and ask me if I snore. Girl, Jody, why are you sleeping and snoring? You snore like a man?
Get up off that seat, don't make me go get a sleepy night too.
Or meds. Girl sleeping at work. No, she's on her phone. Girl.